In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trello integration to Notion, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a simple two-way sync connecting your Trello board with a Notion database, so updates flow automatically between both tools. Start by signing in to your Trello account in your browser. Make sure you have permission to add power-ups on the board you plan to connect. If you're part of a team board, you might need admin access. Once you're in, open the Trello board you want to link with Notion. It's best to pick the board where tasks actively live, so the sync is immediately useful. On the board, locate the Power-Ups option. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the top toolbar or under the menu on the right-hand side. Open Power-Ups, then choose Add Power-Ups to browse Trello's directory. In the search bar, type Notion. Look for the option called Notion plus Trello Two-Way Sync. This is powered by Unito and is designed specifically to keep Trello and Notion in sync. Click into it to review details, then select Add. If your workspace uses plan limits for power-ups, you may be prompted to confirm or adjust your plan. After adding it, return to your board and open the Unito icon that appears among your power-ups. This is where you'll set up the connection between Trello and Notion. Click Authorize when prompted so the integration can access your Trello board. You'll also be guided to connect your Notion account. Make sure you're using a Notion workspace and database you're allowed to share with integrations. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete syncing. You'll be asked to choose which Trello board and which Notion database to connect. The setup typically includes selecting whether you want one-way or two-way sync and deciding which items should sync, such as specific lists, statuses, or tags. You'll also map fields so information lines up correctly. For example, card titles to Notion page titles, due dates to date properties, and labels to multi-select properties. If you don't see a perfect property match in Notion, you can create a new property there and return to the mapping step. When the setup summary looks right, save and start the sync. Give it a moment for the first pass to run. You should see cards and pages appear on both sides with the properties you mapped. If something looks off, reopen the Unito Power-Up and fine-tune the filters or field mappings. That's it. Your Trello and Notion are now integrated and working together smoothly.